So today we're going to learn chapter 12, comparing numbers, right? So let's look at the first one, right? So let's look at the first one. Comparing groups, right? Let's see how many hats we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hats. How many children? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if we match it, if we match each child to the hat, right? We have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here, right? We have 1 extra, right? 1 extra child here. So we can say that there are more children than party hats, right? There are more children than party hats because we have 4 party hats, right? We have 4 party hats, and we have 5 children, right? So we can say there are more children than party hats. Okay. So for the next one, let's see, comparing numbers, right? So comparing numbers. So Ming said, I have 4 teddy bears, right? I have 4 teddy bears, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have 5 toy robots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ming has more toy robots than teddy bears, right? More toy robots because, right? So if you match each teddy bear to 1 toy robot, right? Each teddy bear to 1 toy robot, you realize there's 1 more extra. 1 more extra of what? 1 more extra of toy robot. Right? So of course, Ming has more toy robots, right? Because 1 more extra. So 1 more extra, more toy robots than teddy bears, right? Because we have 5 here, right? Then we only have 4 at the top. Okay, now let's do some practice. Let's do some practice. Okay, are there more bananas than monkeys? Right? Are there more bananas than monkeys? So what is your answer? Right? What is your answer? No, right? No. There are less bananas than monkeys. Right? Are there more bananas than monkeys? No, there are less bananas than monkeys. Right? Because we have only two bananas, right? Right, we have only two bananas. Right, monkeys, we have 3 monkeys. Alright, so there are less bananas than monkeys, right? Less because we have 2, right? Less bananas than monkeys because we have 2 bananas and we have 3 monkeys, right? So less bananas than monkeys. Okay, next one. Are there more children than bags? So we can count how many children we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 children. Right, we have 9 children. So how many bags we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bags. So are there more children than bags? Yes, right? So you can say yes. Yes, there are more children than bags. Right? Yes, there are more children than bags because we have 9 here, right? So more children than bags. Okay, so count, then fill in the blanks. So how many pairs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. There are 4 pairs, right? There are 4 pairs. So there are 4 pairs, right? How many cherries? 2 cherries, right? 2 cherries. So there are 2 cherries. So we have 4 pairs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2 cherries, 1, 2. Right? 4 pairs, 2 cherries. Are there more cherries than pears? No, right? No. The answer is no. No. Right? There are less cherries than pears. Right? Okay, now let's look at finding one more, right? Finding one more. Here at the top, finding one more. So let's see. We have group A and group B, right? We have group A and we have group B. Group A, there are 4 balloons in group A, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 balloons in group B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we know that we can say that 5 is 1 more than 4, right? Because 1 plus 4 is 5, right? So 5 is 1 more than 4, right? 4, 1 more, right? You have 4, then you have 1 more. So you add 1 to the 4, you have 5, right? So you can see here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then you have here, same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But you have 1 more, right? You have 1 more here, right? You have 1 more. So 1 more than 4 is 5, right? 1 more than 4 is 5. So of course, group B has more, right? We have group B has more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's do the finding one less, right? Let's look at the finding one less. So if you so you count what number, right? What number is 1 less than 8? If you take, so 1 less, if you take 1, right? If you take 1 away from 8, you have 7, right? So let's count how many balls we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you take out 1 less, right? Now how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So first you have 8, right? First you have 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you take out 1, right? 1 less than 8. So you have 8, right? You have 8, and then 1 less than 8. 1 less than 8, you have 7, right? So 7 is 1 less than 8. So if it's less, 1 less, you take out 1 from 8. So then you have 7. Let's do some practice. Let's do some practice at the side here. Okay, so this one is draw one more leaf. So I'm going to draw one more leaf. So draw one more leaf. I'm going to draw one more leaf here. I'm going to draw one more leaf here. Right. Okay, I'm going to draw one more leaf. Wait. I'm going to draw one more leaf. Okay, I have one more leaf. One more leaf here, right? So 1 more than 4 is what? 1 more than 4 is 5. Right, 1 more than 4 is 5. Right, because 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more than 4 is, add another one, we have 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. So if you have one more, you add, right? One more you add to 4, then you have 5. If it's one less, you take out, right? So you take out from the 7, you have 6, right? Okay, let's do this. Cross out one ladybird. So I'm going to cross out one ladybird. Cross out one ladybird. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Right? First I have 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I cross out one ladybird. I have 6, right? Cross out one ladybird, and then I have 6. 1 less than 7 is 6. So, okay, so now let's do some practice. What number is 1 more than 3? 1 more than 3 is? 1 more than 3 is what? 1 more than 3 is 4. Right? 1 more than 3 is 4. So you just add 1 to the 3. What number is 1 less than 4? You just minus, right? 4 minus 1 is 3. So, okay. So 1 more than 3, what you can do, you can first draw out. You can first draw out 3 first. So you have 1, 2, 3, right? You have 3, let's say you have 3 marbles, right? And then 1 more, so you add 1 more here. You add 1 more here. So you have 4, right? Then what number is 1 less than 4? Right? So you have, okay, so let's say you have 4, right? 4 first. And then you have 1 less than 4. So you take away that 1. Right? You still have 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 left here. Okay, let's do this one. 1 less than 7. Okay, so what you can do is have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1 less than 7, you just take out 1 out. You have 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6. 1 more than 6, so you have, right? 1 more than 6, so you have 6 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1 more, you add 1 more to it, you have 7. Right? So what number is 1 less than 5? So you have 5 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 less. Right? 1 less. Cross out 1 less than 5. So you have 4. Right? You have 4. 1 more than 4, you have 4 here first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have 1 more. 1 more than 4 would be 5. Right? So you have 9. 1 less than 9. So let's draw out 9 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 less than 9. Cross out 1 less than 9. You have 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you have 8. Right? So if it's more, you add. Right? So you add 1. So this becomes 4. Right? Add 1. This becomes 7. Right? Add 1. 1 more. This becomes 5. Right? If it's less, 1 less, you minus. Right? If it's 1 less, you minus. So 4 minus 1, you have 3. 1 less here. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Right? 1 less here. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 1 less here. 9 minus 1 is 8. Right? If it's more, you add. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. If it's more, right? So more you add, less you subtract. Okay? That's it for today. I hope you enjoy your lesson. Thank you.